Hey, what's up, you guys? If you are new here, I am Desiree. Welcome to my channel. And if you are returning, welcome back. Okay, so for today's video, I have been seeing these knotless twists on TikTok. I specifically saw this one girl on TikTok. Her name is Abigail Paul. I really hope I'm not butchering that, or she goes by Abby. And I fell in love with the way she did her. So I was like, oh, that is beautiful. Like, I want to try that. I've been wearing the knotless braids, so I was like, why not switch it up and do some knotless twists? So I wanted to just do like a little tutorial and show you guys how I achieved the look. I put my own little twist on it, and I did it with blonde hair. So I'm just showing you guys my hair right here, and as you can see, it looks a little crinkly because I had put it in some cornrows just for like one day to put a wig on. But other than that, my hair is freshly washed and blow dried and conditioned and everything. I just had some knotless braids in. If you did not see that video, I will link it right here. But yes, I did some knotless braids. I had those in for about 2 months. So now I'm switching it up and doing some knotless twists. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'm just going to be showing you a couple of things that I use. So the first thing that I did use was the Shine and Jam in the red container. I also forgot to mention I used nail glue. I used about 4 to 5 bottles of nail glue. But yes, I did use the Shine and Jam in the red container. For edge control, I use the Edge Effect. I don't really care which one I use as long as it says 5 plus as far as the strength, because these edges need the strength, okay? And then you're gonna need some sort of clip or like hair thing to like keep your hair back, hair clips. These little strips here just stick to your hair, and they're easily removable and they don't really pull on your hair. So I got these off of Amazon. I can link these down below if you would like. I am also going to be using an edge brush as well as a rat tail comb. And other than that, that's pretty much all of the tools that I use. And as far as the hair, I did get the hair off of Amazon. I can link that down below for you guys as well. I literally used the same kind of hair that Abby used in her video. You just go on Amazon and search Passion Twist hair. I really like that they had this ombre look too. So yeah, let's get into the actual braiding of the hair. You also want to make sure you have like a mirror in front of you and behind you. That will definitely help with the parting. Parting is definitely where I struggle the most. If you don't have a setup like the one that I have, I do know that they sell like the little mirrors with the flaps on it that you can hang on your door. You can hang it on any door and do your hair, girl, okay? But as far as the parting, just to kind of give you guys a rough idea of how I parted my hair, I parted the back from the front like so. Once I got to my ear, I literally just parted it all the way around, and I kept going around in kind of like a moon or a C shape until I got to the top of my hair, and then the very top I just parted that into like 6 rows or something, and just kind of parted that, the way I wanted it, with like a middle part. But as far as the rest of my hair, I just, as you can see, parted the front from the back. I did those rows at the bottom, and then once I got to my ear, I just kept going around and around and around until I got closer to the top and just separated that and parted that. I hope that makes some sense, okay? So as you guys can see, my hair in the back is very short, girl, but it has been growing. It definitely has grown from since the last time I've done my hair. I can tell that it's a lot longer. But yeah, we gotta, be patient with it, okay? But I just wanted to tell you guys that the first method I'm gonna show you as far as braiding is just the method that I used because my hair is so short in the back. I did not use it for the majority of my head though. So what I did, as you guys can see, I went ahead and just went ahead and did some braids here, and I pretty much am almost done with the back here, and you can start to see where I start going around from my ear, and I'm just going to keep continuing that row all the way around. But for this method, as you can see, I just parted my hair into 2 strands instead of 3. I'm going to take the actual braiding hair, parted into 3. I'm going to attach 2 of the strands to the hair, the curly hair, 2 of my strands to 2 of the curly hair strands, and I'm just going to braid like normal, okay? So you're going to have 3 strands already. So I'm just going to go in, as you can see, attach my hair and braid. So it's just easier when you break your hair up into 2 sections rather than 3 when it's especially really short. I would have typically did 3 sections right here because my hair is long enough here, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did in the very back because it was such a struggle back there. My hair is so short back there, it just was very hard to get on camera. But this is essentially what I did with those shorter pieces. I parted it into 2 rather than 3 sections. That way you can grip it a lot easier. It doesn't really slip out. Like, I haven't had any of them slip out so far, so it holds up really well, and it looks pretty much the same as the traditional feed-in method. So this is the first way that I braided my hair. And then also I just want to know, as you can see, I braid my hair down, and then eventually I wrap my hair around the curly hair, and then I start twisting. Make sure you are twisting in the direction that the curly hair is going in, not the opposite direction. If you twist in the opposite direction, it will look more like a Senegalese twist rather than these knotless twists. So just make sure you're twisting in the correct direction. For the hair that I had to twist clockwise rather than counterclockwise. I noticed if I did any counterclockwise, it would look more like a Senegalese twist rather than like this curly type of hair, which is the look I wanted to go for. And then of course, when you get to a certain point of the hair, you want to make sure you're putting glue at some point when you start twisting, after you're braiding, but you want to make sure you're past your natural hair so that way you don't glue your hair. And then just going to show you guys how I attach the hair at the end. I just take a piece of hair, start twisting and turning at the same time. As you can see, I'm like twisting and turning at the same time. And then when I go down a couple of times, I go ahead and add on some glue on there. I believe Abby on TikTok, I don't know if she added glue, but I don't know how she didn't, girl, because if I didn't add glue, this hair would be on the ground. It would not stick. I don't know how they make it stick. I don't know how they make it stay. Just use hair glue, okay? Especially if you're a beginner, use hair glue, of course. And then of course you're gonna twist all the way down. So I'm gonna show you guys again, but I'm also gonna show you guys the other regular feed-in method. This is just the way that I did it because my hair was very short in the back, and I just wanted to show you guys, if you have very short hair, you could do it too, okay? I also want to note that each braid or twist is 1 strand of hair. So as you can see, I'm separating that 1 strand of hair at that moment, and then I'm going to add the first piece to the top, and then the second piece will be added towards the end of my hair. And as you can see, this is the actual feed-in method. So I actually have 3 strands of hair. I'm going to braid twice. On that second time, I'm going to go ahead and add in my piece of hair. I'm not going to split it up into 3 strands or anything. Just put it on there at the thickest part of the hair and continue on braiding. You're just going to braid down until you feel like it's secure enough, and then I'm going to take that loose piece of hair that's your actual hair and wrap it around one of the strands and then start twisting. And then once you get past your hair, go ahead and add that glue, keep twisting down, and then add in your second piece of hair. And I also want to note that when you add your glue to your hair, you don't have to twist as tight as you are at the top, because you definitely want to twist pretty tightly at the top until you add that glue in. So once you add that glue there, you don't have to twist so hard. You can twist pretty loose and you'll get it done a lot quicker when you're twisting a lot looser, okay? I'm just gonna let y'all see it one more time for them ones in the back, okay? One more time for the ones in the back. All right, here you go. This is a little bit of a better view about how I've been parting the hair. As you can see, I just kept going around. I think I literally did like maybe one or two more little round shapes like this, and then I parted the rest and just did a middle part and then parted them accordingly. But I just wanted to show you guys just a better look at what the parting situation was. Finished my hair. I finished it Saturday, so it is Tuesday. So yeah, it's a couple of days later. I finished my hair Saturday and it is now Tuesday. So I just wanted to come on camera, show you guys how it looked, and just give you guys a little bit of more information about the process. So this took for fucking ever. Okay, let's just get that out the way. I feel like I did knotless box braids, and I don't even think those took this long, but I might be exaggerating. I legit, it took me like 15 hours, y'all. Legit. I started my hair Friday at 5 o'clock. I stayed up till almost 5 in the morning. Then I woke up Saturday morning. I started my hair around 10:30, and then I finished at 1:30. So do the math, and that's how long it took me. But as you can see, it came out real cute. I love the knotless effect. This kind of reminds me of like getting passion twists, but they're knotless. So like it's the best of both worlds. Now as far as longevity, I would have to let you guys know how long they will last. But I think that they're gonna last. I think that they're gonna last a little bit. I have a vacation coming up in about 2 weeks, and I still plan to keep this hairstyle in for that. So if you guys would like an update on how long they last, comment down below. But I do want to say, even though they're like super long and they look really thick and heavy, they're not. Like, guys, it feels like there's nothing on my head. Like, it just feels so light. It's really light. Like, it might be, I think it's lighter than the Knotless box braid. So like, real light. They may look like it's a lie and it looks heavy, but trust me, girl, it's not heavy at all. It's no pulling, it's no tension, and they're knotless. So, you know, with the knotless style, your hair, you know, really thrives and grows a lot. So I did get this hair from Amazon, and I will leave that link down below. But I'm sure you can probably go in the hair store and find something similar. And again, the girl that I got this style idea from is on TikTok, and I will have her information down below too. I just wanted to put my own twist on it and make it like blonde, and you know, the color I like. So yeah, guys, this is the end result. It's only been a couple of days, so I haven't really like worn it out yet. This is actually like my first time putting makeup on with it and like really kind of styling it up. And I have been enjoying it so far. I think it's really cute. And again, like they're super like just flat, which I love, but I still get that twist look, which I love. And they're long. You can make them shorter if you want to by not adding the extra hair, but I want to, you know, I like a long girl, okay? So of course I'm adding hair on mine, but you can make it shorter. Like, you can definitely do, if you can do knotless box braids, you can definitely do this style. It did take a long time though, just know that, but I think it was worth it. I think it's cute and I think it's different. Like, I was just gonna do another knotless box braid style, but it was like, why not try this? It's knotless as well, it's cute, and hopefully it lasts just as long, but I will keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on camera, just show y'all the end result. This is what it's given. And I did do a couple like slow-mos and stuff like that, so y'all can see what it's really giving. But yeah, comment down below what you think. Comment down below any other styles you would like for me to try, if there are any. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you stayed this far in the video, comment down below. If you stayed this long in the video, comment down below Foxy so I can know you a real one, period, okay? But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.